Creating high-quality video content doesn't have to break the bank in the current digital world. Today, we will show you how to use Fliki AI, a free application, to earn $234 every day. It's an effective tool for making YouTube videos. And the best part? You don't require any pricey software or any experience editing videos. So hit that like and subscribe, and let's begin. We'll cover every single step in depth in this video, enabling you to get started creating YouTube shorts and making money straight away. Trust me, this isn't just a theory. Everyone does it daily. If you stay tuned, you'll have all the resources you need to get going before the end of the video. So, what is Fliki AI? In a nutshell, Fliki is an online tool designed to create voiceovers and videos from text without discomfort. It could be used for anything from creating audiobooks and videos for YouTube, but today we are going to talk about generating YouTube shorts with it. The platform is relatively easy to use, and there is no need to have any programming skills. Fliki gets you images and videos and allows you to create short, punchy content that gets your audience's attention. Don't worry, I have attached the link to Fliki AI in the description below, so try it out after watching this video. Fliki utilizes an API that enables users to transform text into a natural-sounding voiceover. To be precise, it is useful where you need voiceover for a YouTube channel, explainer videos and presentations, and audiobooks. It also has the capability of creating entire podcasts out of the text you feed into it. In professional voiceover, Fliki AI will transcribe it into an audio format. Fliki lets you generate videos for social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and more based on small chunks of text. Fliki can help business people and teachers create videos, demonstrating how to do something without having intricate skills in video editing. Now, why have YouTube Shorts become important? Well, YouTube Shorts are gaining a lot of attraction currently, aren't they? These vertical 60-second or less videos are made for small mobile screens and are great for engaging a big audience quickly. YouTube Shorts is not something that takes years and years to build. The attractiveness of a single video can bring thousands of views, subs, and of course, the money from ads. That, coupled with a free tool such as Fliki, would make the perfect cocktail of success. But now, let me talk about the big picture before we explain how you can actually do it, step by step. To make your task much easier, let us dive into the steps you need to follow. First of all, you have to choose a niche. Not all shorts are created equal, thus it can be difficult to consistently churn out hits in this category, which of course is why you'd want to find a popular category that is not oversaturated. Some of the most popular types of posts are workouts, everyday tips and tricks, and facts or calls in life. For today's video, we are going to settle for the motivation niche because it is always popular. People always need some spurring on. Also, it doesn't take long to add affiliate links or monetize it with ad revenue at some point in the future. Take your niche under consideration as we move to the next steps. Okay, let's start with Fliki AI. Sign up for Fliki.ai now and create a free profile by going through a simple registration process. It is quite easy to use. After entering the login option, you will be taken to the home page of the site, and the options are easily available. Now, go to the top right corner and click on Create New File. You will also have a choice of creating either an audio or video file. When we are picking the type of cheer, since we are doing a YouTube short, go for video. This is the place where all the creative work happens. Now that we've got Fliki ready, let's get some content. We are going to make a YouTube short in the motivation category, so let us type motivational quotes on the internet. Just type on your web browser, best motivational quotes, and there will be hundreds of results. Therefore, the kind of quotes that we will select are those that can make compact statements yet cause an immediate reaction from the viewers. Paste a couple of quotes you like, and we will type them into Fliki AI. So, having received the quote, it is time to input it into Fliki. Just copy and paste the text into the box that says script. Fliki will then turn the text inserted here into a voiceover for you. They even offer different types of voice, male, female voice, and voice with different accents and different languages as well. We will use a clear, friendly, natural-sounding, and energetic male voice because it resonates with motivation. That's okay though. Go and try it out for your own specialization because you might find something that suits your niche. Then, for our voiceover, we have to incorporate visuals. Instead of worrying about that, Fliki makes this super easy by providing a source of free stock images and videos. Thus, for motivational content, something like a landscape, a sunrise, people exercising, etc., will be effective. These visuals must correspond to the tone of your quote. To use this, you just type a keyword, choose a clip, and the voiceover for a particular clip will be synchronized by Fliki. It's like magic. Now here is the significant step in putting your video up on YouTube Shorts. Shorts are vertical videos, and your content should be in the correct aspect ratio to fit well in this feature. In Fliki, go to the Settings tab and select Portrait, 9:16, as an additional way to ensure your video fits the mobile screen properly. This is important to get people to watch more shorts, since 80% of all shorts are viewed on a phone. Once your video is good, it is time to export it. Select the Export button and let Fliki do the work and generate the video in the best possible quality. This process usually takes just a couple of minutes. While this is happening, all the changes that have been made are saved automatically, and the system goes back to its normal mode. Now go to YouTube, click New, and then you will be able to add your shorts. When choosing the title, ensure that it is an eye pusher and include keywords in the description part. For instance, top motivational quotes to start your day is suitable to choose as your website title. Do not forget to include the tags to make sure you're using the correct tag, #shorts for YouTube, to sort the video correctly. So to achieve $234 a day, one has to post a lot. Aim for 2 to 3 shorts per day. Thus, the more content you upload, the more opportunities you have to go viral. And sometimes having one video can make all the difference. Just as is the case with the other content you post on YouTube, YouTube Shorts can attract views and revenue over the long term from the moment they are posted. The two most important elements are regularity and quality. Never mind, keep at it and you'll reap blessings. And that's it. That is exactly how we make YouTube Shorts and earn money per day using Fliki AI. This free tool can be used to create content that interests your audience right from the start, even if you are not a professional. Do you need any special tips for creating YouTube Shorts using Fliki AI? Let's take a look. Reuse your old content and do not let it collect dust. Help it work for you. If you also want to create specific clips, you can convert your blog posts, YouTube channel, or any material into short and lively videos that you can post on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Shorts of YouTube using online video cutters and Fliki AI tools. Because some of these files are usually very large, use the online video trimmer as a way of reducing the size of your large videos. To build your brand, try to incorporate your brand voice, colors, and brand logos in your videos. This is a useful feature because Fliki and other AI-powered video generation tools let you incorporate branding easily and instantly into your videos, helping you ensure that all your videos share the same look and feel. I have dropped the link in description for Fliki AI, so don't forget to check out. Developing AI art is a new tool to produce great visuals that will draw the audience's attention and improve the general video design. If you need fresh and unique imagery for your videos, you can always turn to Midjourney or DALL-E 2 AI art generators. Viewers often play videos with the sound down. That is why burnt-in subtitles can facilitate your communication of the message and the audience's engagement, even if the sound cannot be used. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this guide, then simply hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, as there will be more videos that will show you how to grow your channel and make money online. Stay tuned.